Hello and welcome to the bathroom yet again. So today's a special video. It's a mail call. Whoops, like this. And this is from, I don't know if you can see, UPS. This should be the Pearl Flexi. Let's see. And there should be some other stuff for me in here, but we'll get to that because they have actually seen my videos and had something extra for me included to sort of review. So let's see what I got. There's a bunch of other stuff in here. I don't quite know what it is, really. Okay? So it simply says, can I get this to focus? It says Pearl Man Shaving Cream. I don't know what it is. So that's that. I'm going to make one review for that. No. I can't really seem to know what the scent profile is on this. But yeah, well, give it a go. And if I'm not quite looking at you, that's because I flipped the screen so that I have an idea of if you're getting the same picture as I am. So I sometimes look at myself, which is over here, and then there's you over there, and then there's me at the, I forgot the name. I forgot it. The glass, yeah. So there's also this. Let's see if I can get it to focus this camera here. I won't, I can't. I can tell you what it says if you cannot, if it doesn't pick it up. Oh, it won't. It won't work for anything. It's shaving gel. Pearl Man shaving gel. Again, I can't quite get scent profiles in it, so this is also going to be very exciting to look at. Some more. Ooh, it's nice. I'm going to go one review with each. I have to test them first before, if I have to get a reaction, then I have to be prepared for it. If I do shave with it and get a reaction, I would like to know if I have to, you know, have a couple of days where I sort of let the skin heal. What's this? Pearl Man. It's called, it says, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Neem, N-E-E-M, Tulsi face wash. Same thing, doesn't quite get any scent profiles on this, so that's also going to be very exciting. There's one last little, there's a lot of stuff here. And I thank everyone at Pearl Shaving for sending me this, and I'll give each one of your products a review. Let's see. Oh, a post-shave lotion. Nice. So that's sort of face wash, which can be used as... My dog's at the background, by the way, if something's making noise. So the face wash, I think can be used as a pre-shave. 4 bottles. Very nice. Face wash, shaving gel, shaving cream, and post lotion. Let's see what we have here. Oh, a razor. Let's see if I can get it open. I have scissors with me. It seems like a 3-piece razor. Let's see if we can get it up. I'll also be reviewing this in the coming videos. It's very good, very nice. If I can get it open, that is. Oh, wow. This seems very nice. It seems like a 3-piece razor. And I'll look into that a bit more. It comes with blades and a cloth, it seems. Very nice. It says Pearl Classic Safety Razor. Zero waste, plastic free. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what else is in here. This is so exciting. Okay. Pre-shave oil. So there's a pre-shave. got a very nice smells out of it. Oh, and a pearl shaving brush. It says here, synthetic. Yeah, synthetic. That's very nice. Be reviewing this as well. Let's see if I can show it to you. It's a very clunky razor that scissor that I got. Everything seems in order. And again, I thank everyone at Pearl Shaving for sending me this to review. It seems like a very nice little brush. Perhaps a travel size. Let's see. Ooh! Wow! Look at this. It says Pearl. If it picks it up. Pearl. Very nice. Short handle. Seems like a decent backbone to this. Similar to Yatki's Mocha, if I'm not mistaken, and the one with the similar color, that's long handled. This is a nice one, very nice. I'm looking forward to trying this out. And there's some information in here that I'll be looking into later. So, what's left? What we've all been waiting for. I keep looking at my screen. I'm out of practice with this. I should have turned the camera because I'm used to looking at the camera on the phone when it's flipped, and I'm kind of getting disturbed by seeing myself over here. So, if you're wondering, the Pearl Flexi still comes in this very nice box. That's it. Let's see how it is. There you go. There it is. Let's open it. I have not opened this at all, as you saw. Let's see. So it still comes with this. Still a thank you card and the cloth. Where do I put all this? There. There should be 50 blades somewhere, but I don't quite seem to know where there is. Oh, never mind. I got a lot of other stuff. The stand, still with the plastic bottom, hole in the middle to drain. Very, very nice. Put it right there. And now, let's start the show. Pearl Flexi. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Is that something I should be worried about, this? Something rattling around? Perhaps it was injured? Nothing's rattling now. Perhaps it's the thread. Something is rattling in there. I'm not quite sure what it is. But if it shaves right, you know, look, listen. That doesn't sound very good. Also on the high setting, a bit less rattling. If I tie it up, it's something from the head, I think. But it is still individually, if I can sign to you. Whoops. Made in India, Pearl, and then the serial number down here. So, seems like a nice razor. I don't quite know why it is rattling. That is kind of disturbing, but I'll give it a go, and I'll see how it shapes. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for new subscribers. Anyone, welcome to the channel. See you later. Bye.